Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Grilling a full chicken is a must try when you have an oven or grill at home. This grilled full chicken recipe is from a friend of the Finger family. It's simple and the taste and texture of chicken are easily reproducible by following the recipe closely. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Take a full chicken and remove the skin. Make few shallow cuts all around the chicken. Keep the chicken in a vessel. Add lemon juice from 1 lemon. Add water enough to immerse the chicken completely. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir well. Leave it overnight in the fridge. Let's prepare the marination paste. In a bowl, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder, mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and make it as a paste. If needed, you can add more oil to get the paste. Drain out the water from the chicken and add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Apply the paste all over the chicken. Apply the prepared marination paste all over and inside the chicken. Once the marination paste is applied, add 4 tablespoons of 10% fat curd. If you cannot get 10% fat curd, take the normal curd and hang it in a cloth overnight to remove the water from the curd. Apply the curd all over the chicken and add salt to taste. Stuff the chicken with an onion cut in 4 pieces. Add few coriander leaves and mint leaves. Keep this marinated chicken in the fridge for 1 hour. We can start grilling the chicken now. At first, grill the chicken in the oven at 240 degrees Celsius with top only settings till the curd gets hard and sticks onto the chicken. For this, you have to keep the chicken on the topmost tray. Once the curd hardens, cover the chicken with aluminium foil. And grill it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Now you can keep the chicken on the middle tray. After 15 minutes, open the aluminium foil and add some oil. And grill it again at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, again open the aluminium foil and add some oil and grill it at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. This is the last time. After 15 minutes, check if the chicken is cooked and take it out for serving. Add lemon juice before serving. Delicious, moist and tender grilled chicken is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.